welcome. Welcome to our course English for Personal and Professional Development. I'm Dr. Neha Purohit, and today we are going to talk about a topic that gives details to a very important topic called verbs. Well, the topic today that we are going to discuss is adverbs. Adverbs have a very controversial nature. Some people believe adverbs are not necessary, they are overused in a sentence, while others people do not agree with this class and they say that adverbs need to be there. They have to be used freely. So we are going to look at all these issues today and discuss a topic, adverbs. So let's start. So what are the learning objectives that we are going to have in today's video? आज हम सीखने वाले हैं adverbs क्या हैं, what are adverbs, types of adverbs, and believe me, I'm not going to give you lengthy grammatical definitions. We are only going to see the application part of adverbs. Then we are going to look at the appearance of adverbs in a sentence. एक sentence में adverbs कहाँ place होते हैं, and replacing the redundant very. आपको नहीं लगता हम सभी की एक बहुत पुरानी आदत है ये जो वेरी शब्द है इसको हर जगह यूज करने का? इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी हंग्री, वेरी स्लीपी, ये वेरी ही है जिसने एडवर्ब्स को लेके कंट्रोवर्सी जनरेट की. सो वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट सम ऑफ द वेज जहाँ पे हम इस वेरी की जगह और बेहतर शब्दों का यूज कर पाए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. नाउ व्हाट आर एडवर्ब्स? एडवर्ब्स क्या हैं? इन योर ट्रेडिशनल इंग्लिश ग्रामर एडवर्ब्स की डेफिनेशन मिलती है, एडवर्ब्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट मॉडिफाई अ वर्ब. ऐसे शब्द जो वर्ब के बारे में डिटेल्स बताएं वो एडवर्ब्स होते हैं. वेल, दिस इज ओनली अ हाफ डेफिनेशन एज एन एडवर्ब कैन मॉडिफाई अ वर्ब. अग्रीड. एन एडवर्ब कैन मॉडिफाई एन एडजेक्टिव. एग्जाम्पल, it's a very hot day today. See, very has again come back. Very hot. Hot यहाँ पे adjective है, मैंने very लगा दिया. So this very, this adverb has modified an adjective. Or an adverb can modify another adverb. So look at the examples here. She swims quickly. यहाँ पे ये adverb modify कर रहा है verb को, because swim is a verb and it modifies swim, so this modifies a verb. In the second sentence, she is an extremely quick swimmer. Quick here is an adverb, adjective, and extremely is your adverb, so this adverb modifies this adjective. And here she swims extremely quickly. This is an adverb, this is an adverb, and if this adverb modifies this one, so in this case we see an adverb modifying or giving a detail or discussing another adverb. So आप समझ गए होंगे, adverbs are not just the words that modify verbs. They can give some details about adjectives, they can give some details about adverbs also. Now, adverbs are not single words. Adverbs can come in different forms. एक सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब कई तरह से रिफ्लेक्ट हो सकता है. यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. एडवर्ब कैन बी मेड अप ऑफ मोर देन वन वर्ड. सो he ran at 10 miles per hour. This is not a sentence, it is a phrase. So we can say it is an adverbial phrase. He ran when the police arrived. In this particular case, this is a clause. This is a clause because यहाँ पे एक we have some verb present and we have the police, that means the subject present. But it is a part of the larger sentence. एक larger sentence का ही ये हिस्सा है, इसलिए हम इसे clause कह रहे हैं. So you can have an example of adverbial clause. Again, you have the example of adverbial phrase. Add to the shops. Now, इस phrase में आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे हमने इस हिस्से में कोई वर्ब यूज नहीं किया. दिस इज जस्ट अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ फ्रेज. But it gives some information about where, so that is why it is called an adverbial phrase. Now what do we have more? We have another adverbial phrase, to fetch some water, because ये एक reason बताता है क्यों गए to fetch some water. So reason को दिखाने वाले भी adverbs होते हैं. That is why this is an adverbial phrase of reason. Then how often, कितनी बार. यहाँ पे every day आया collection of 2 words. So that is why it is an adverbial phrase. And the last one is also an adverbial phrase to denote how much. That means the quantity. Quicker than me. Again, it is your adverbial phrase. So in this slide, we have come to know that adverbs do not appear in single words. Adverbs can appear in phrases or adverbs can appear in clauses. Now, the major type of adverbs. An adverb can tell us different details about verbs. सबसे पहले वो बताते हैं how. That means कैसे. So, he ran quickly. Automatically, the question that comes to you is कैसे. And the answer of kaise is replaced with quickly. When, so adverbs also tell us details about time. When, he ran yesterday. So yesterday in this case becomes an example of adverb of time. Then adverbs also give us details about where, about the place. Kahan. So here becomes an example of adverb of place. Then how often, kitni baar. So frequency, that means daily. Kabhi kabhi, rozana. These are the examples of adverbs of frequency. How much, kitna, that means fastest. So if you compare, so you may say that he is the fastest. Now there is a very interesting rule of MPT. हमने जब adjectives को discuss किया, हमने ये देखा था that in a particular sentence there can be more than 1 or 2 adjectives. The same rule applies here also. In a sentence there can be more than 1 adverbs, as we saw in the example where we saw she ran extremely quickly. So extremely quickly is an example where we have 2 adverbs. So the rule of MPT says M stands for manner, that means how, P stands for place and T stands for time. ये MPT का रूल कहता है that in a sentence, अगर किसी sentence में manner, place और time के तीनों adverbs आने वाले हैं, so what are we going to do? We are going to first put manner, जिसका आंसर निकलता है कैसे. Then we are going to put the detail about place, that means कहाँ, और फिर last में हम लिखेंगे about time. Okay, so this rule of MPT applies with adverbs because at times we get confused. अगर हमें 3 details एक sentence में लिखनी है, तो आप पहले क्या लगाएंगे? क्या आप place के बारे में लिखेंगे, क्या आप time के बारे में लिखेंगे, या आप manner के बारे में लिखेंगे? Remember in that case the rule of MPT, manner, place and time. Now, as I promised, we are going to look at some refreshing ideas of replacing the redundant बार-बार use होने वाला very. We have this habit of using very with almost every word, and the author Stephen King says this is the problem because we overuse these adverbs. The quality of adverbs, the utility of adverbs has gone down. It becomes a headache at times because we are using adverbs so freely and they can be replaced with better words. So here are some ideas. The list can be very exhaustive. अगर मैं एक list बनाने बैठूं तो शायद बहुत मोटी किताब बन जाएगी. जहाँ पे हम इस very को replace कर सकते। But for this particular session, I have just brought very few examples. So look at these examples. Suppose you want to say very old, so replace it with ancient. Here these are adjectives. Here we have used very with an adjective. So we are going to replace this very and we are going to use single word. Very old, ancient. I am very tired today. Instead of this, say I am exhausted. He is very clever. Nahi, he is very brilliant. Very fast, quick. Very large, colossal. Very good, superb. Very cold, freezing. It was a very cold night yesterday. No, the night was literally freezing. Very capable, accomplished. He is a very capable artist. No, instead of that you can say he is an accomplished artist. Very small, tiny. I live in a tiny apartment. I live in a very small apartment. No, tiny apartment. Very valuable, precious. I have a very valuable gift. I have a precious gift. Very quiet, silent. Very stupid, idiotic. Very weak, feeble. He spoke in a very weak voice. He spoke in a feeble voice. Very tasty, delicious. Very angry, furious. My father was very angry when he saw my report card. No, my father was furious. Very roomy, spacious. Very hungry, famished. So the next time when you reach home and you tell your mother or somebody who cooks food for you that I'm very hungry, use I'm famished instead of saying very hungry. Very afraid, terrified. So you have seen that this way we can always make our language a lively experience. Language is something that we can all experiment with, and we need to do this experiment because language is not static. Language हमेशा बदलती रहती है और इसी तरह से हमें भी अपनी language में सुधार करते रहना है. So until the next time, thank you and happy learning.